Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a guide on how you can make money by selling AI art. So let's begin. So here we are in Etsy.com, and from here we can start selling our AI art right here. For example, right here we have an AI arts right here that is being sold. And as you can see, this is on recently viewed because I view this right here. But when we search for it right here, we then go search for AI, and then we would find all these products right here. And as you can see, all these products right here, this is a 1 trillion Midjourney prompts with ChatGPT right here. You can also buy this. This is something that you can do with AI, and this is also something you can do with AI image generation. And so much more right here. As you can see, the limit is your imagination. You can sell whatever you want from in here that you can make with AI in this niche. And remember that Etsy is not the only marketplace available for you to sell your AI products. You can also do sell it into other platforms like Etsy. But now that we know where to sell our products and what kind of products that we wanna sell, then now we can proceed to the tips that I would give you in order for you to start selling right here. Some AI tools that you can probably use in selling right here in Etsy. So the first one is Leonardo.ai. So Leonardo.ai gives you a free account right here. So if you click here and start using Leonardo, and from here, actually I'm already whitelisted, so I don't have any problem going through with this. But if you're not, then you need to create an account, and then you need to be whitelisted first in order for you to avail Leonardo.ai free trial. Now let's click on start using Leonardo. And now here we are in Leonardo, and as you can see, I have 150 tokens. And when we hover here, as you can see, it resets in 22 hours. It means that you have free credits right here in Leonardo, which you can use in order for you to sell your AI art. So from here in Leonardo, you can make these kinds of images right here. And as you can see, when we go back into Etsy, it's exactly the same style. Like this is what you're seeing right here. You can create here in Leonardo just by giving your idea, the description, your prompts right here. You can create it right here, and all you have to do is just compile all of them, and maybe in a specific genre, then you can just sell it here on Etsy right here. And after that, yeah, this is basically for Leonardo.ai. You have your free credits right here. But if you don't want to use Leonardo.ai, maybe you're having trouble with being whitelisted, then what I can recommend you for you on AI image generation is that you can go here on Bing. So first, let's go into our Edge, Microsoft Edge. Here, let's go into Microsoft Edge, and then we want to go into Bing.com, and then from here we want to chat. Like, click here on chat at the top. So make sure you are using the Microsoft Edge, and then go into Bing.com, and you would be able to go here. So let's just wait for it to load, because the Bing chat actually has a free image generation that you can use. So for example, we will ask or chat right here, generate me an image about AI a style portrait of a beautiful woman. Just like that. Maybe something like that. This is very simple. Then we go ahead, press enter, and the bot would automatically send us an image about this description. So AI style portrait of a beautiful woman. So what this bot is using is a DALL-E AI image generation, which is from OpenAI. And as you can see, here it is right here. Your image is generating. All we have to do now is wait. And yeah, this is absolutely for free. There is no cost in doing this. And as you can see, this is how it would look like right here. And you could customize this. You can just change it right here if you don't like any versions right here, any of the four. Then you can just ask it to change the first photo with a frame, maybe like that, then it would change it right there. And all you have to do is wait again. The only downside that I can tell you with this is that it takes too long, I guess. But for some people this is not too long, so it really depends on you. And as you can see, now it's in frame right here. This is the first photo, and now it's in frame right here. And all you have to do now is to upscale one of them, and you can download it, and now you can have it in your own product. And that's basically it here in Bing. That is a very handy way for you to generate AI images to sell here on Etsy. And as you can see, they also sell ChatGPT prompts. So from that, you can just use ChatGPT. And yeah, you can also ask ChatGPT to give you ideas on what to sell right here that could also work. And I guess that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.